Hello, everybody. I am the editor of the book I'm going to present here, Mitochondrial DNA and the Immune-inflammatory Response, New Frontiers to Control Specific Microbial Disease. This interesting book was recently published by Bentham Science Publishers. Not long ago, the world saw the emergence of a global pandemic, COVID-19, 2020, which still poses a threat to global health in 2022, despite the recent mass vaccination. The most important lesson learned from this disease is its destructive potential, triggering a sudden and controlled inflammatory response to the virus, which can rapidly decimate populations worldwide. That was our biggest motivation for choosing this topic as a second volume in the ebook series, Frontiers in Inflammation, published by Bentham.
The aim of this ebook is to present you a state-of-the-art coverage regarding the central topic for the understanding of the interaction between pathogenic microorganisms like bacteria and virus and the host. So our goal is to provide you an up-to-date content on the chosen topic, aiming at broadening horizons and awakening readers, especially infectologists and pathologists, about the importance of organ investigation and the research on the subject of inflammation. A very fascinating and promising topic for new discoveries and therapeutic targets. So the main objective is to present you in a book regarding the topic of the inflammation in its broadest sense, including a relatively recent scientific discoveries concerning the active participation of this organelle, mitochondria, of course, and its respective constituents, mainly mitochondrial DNA in the immune-inflammatory response.
How this book was organized. Mitochondria are multifunctional organelles that actively participate in the immune-inflammatory response in several pathologies. To develop this subject, we choose some pathologies which have already been studied in the light of this specific area. Therefore, this book will address two diseases, one bacterial and the other one viral, in which the exacerbation of the inflammatory response can lead to neuropathies. Leprosy, one of the oldest diseases of the world, and Zika fever, a relatively new disease in Brazil. And three diseases, two bacterial and one viral, in which the exacerbation of the inflammatory response can lead to irreversible lung damage that can cause rapid death, tuberculosis, pneumonia, and the most recent global pathology, COVID-19. In addition, the introductory chapter of this book deals with updates on mitochondria as multifunctional organelles, enabling cell biology to better interface with physiology, pathology, and immunology. Brazil is one of the countries listed with a high incidence of leprosy, Zika fever, tuberculosis, bacterial pneumonia, and COVID-19. It's worth mentioning that each author and co-author presents the experience in their area of expertise, cell biology and infectious disease. We'd like to express our sincere thanks to all authors who have contributed chapters to this book. We'd also like to thank Bentham Science Publishers for the publication opportunity and their support in disseminating knowledge.
So I'm back again to reinforce the possibility of acquisition of this ebook. Science is one of the most important channels of knowledge. It has specific roles, as well as a variety of functions for the benefits of our society, creating new knowledge, improving education, and increase the quality of our lives. Science must respond to social need and global challenges. So why should readers be interested in this ebook? The role of mitochondria goes far beyond their contribution to cellular energy metabolism. Mitochondria are multifunctional organelles that actively participate in the immune-inflammatory response in several pathologies. So the aim of this book is also to give you an update of this interesting field.